Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then find the password and security. Then let's tap on fingerprint. Of course, give all the permissions, and as you can see, first of all we have to add the screen lock, so for example the pattern pin or password. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, so let me do it. And here we've got basically the information that it is necessary, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let me set the pattern. Alright, here we've got the tips about the screen protectors, so just tap on OK. And here we've got the sensor, so let's simply put our finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every corner, so change the position of your finger, of course, for better recognition. Alright, let's tap on done. I don't want to use the face unlock, so let me turn it off kind of. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. You can add another, of course. I believe you can use up to 5 different fingerprints. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the screen lock is turned on by default. The app lock or the private safe, up to you of course. You've got the quick launch fingerprint animation, and you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. It's up to you. Let's check the fingerprint animations. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options. We can leave this one or simply tap on the option you like more. And basically let me lock the device and check if it is working. So we've got the sensor, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.